Good morning, everyone, and welcome today's session of Pre-Bell with William Mooney. Small disclaimer that registration granted by SEBI, membership, Basel, and certification of NISM is no way guarantee performance of the intermediary, providing any assurance of returns to investors. Investments, security market subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Let's start with Nifty chart analysis. As you can see, yesterday Nifty had a downward reversal. It made a high. It had a high. After that, it came under selling pressure. That high was made in the first hour of the trading session itself. After that, it came under selling pressure. However, during the day, it found support near the 10 EMA, and the fall was more than 0.2%, but no detail or distribution day count was recorded, as volumes for yesterday's session was lower than Friday's session. Again, as I was saying that, distribution day count continues to remain at a low, that is at 2. Going forward, if distribution day count gets increased from 2 to higher, and key moving averages such as green line, which is the 21 DMA, or red line, which is the 50 DMA, which gets breached, then we might go from confirmed uptrend to uptrend under pressure. Talking about key news, Pitti Engineering signed a definitive agreement to acquire Bagadia Chaitra Industries at rupees 124.92 crores. Wipro and Nutanix partner to launch a new Nutanix focused business unit to accelerate digital transformation, hybrid, multi-cloud innovation. HG Infra gets a letter of award of project worth rupees 862.11 crores from National Highways Authorities of India. Mahindra and Mahindra's February production increased 21.6% YoY to 73,380 units. Sales increased 26.2% YoY. Exports declined 31.6% YoY. RVNL emerged lowest bidder for project worth rupees 47 crores from Central Railway. Uh, AB Capital, that is Adithya Birla Capital, board approved merger of Adithya Birla Finance with the company. Talking about global market update, US markets remain muted. Dow Jones closed higher by 0.1%, S&P closed lower by 0.1%, and Nasdaq closed lower by 0.4%. Asian markets, Shanghai is trading lower by 0.5%, Nikkei is trading lower by 0.6%, Kospi is trading higher by 0.5%. Gift Nifty is indicating a higher opening, was trading around 22,456 levels, and yesterday's close was around 22,232. But as you can see, most Asian markets are kind of trading lower at this moment, so there can be some kind of selling pressure or some kind of muted movement in today's session as well. Talking about chart of the day, the chart of the day for us is Zensar Technologies. As you can see, overall ratings for the stock is very good. EPS strength of 93, price strength of 64, and buyer demand of B. Apart from yesterday's session, you can see good accumulation coming in with the stock price moving higher. Yesterday, as the overall market was under pressure, especially the broader markets, there was some selling happening. But as you can see, the selling was happening on lower volume, so which is not that bad. The stock is still 5% to pivot. So if the stock moves higher from here on above average volume, that it shows signs of accumulation, then it can be a good stock to watch out for. Overall, the stock is forming a double bottom base. On the left side of the base, there is no major signs of distribution, and on the right side, recently the stock has started showing signs of accumulation. On the EPS or on the earnings front, as you can see, last 4 quarter results have been very good for the stock with continued acceleration in earnings, which is a good sign. Overall fund holding for the stock have been improving quarter on quarter, which is also a good sign. Going forward, if markets remain supportive and the stock breaks out on above average volumes and remains in the ideal buy zone, it can be a good stock to watch out for. So, thank you, and that's it from my side. And stay tuned to the space of pre-bell with William O'Neill India from Monday to Friday at 8:45 a.m. sharp. Thank you.